Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Twitter header on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the covers and headers section you can find the second option, the Twitter header, and here just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search images or uploads from your device. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete and change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. In the object section you can find different objects. For example, new, click to the ice cream and you can move this and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project, and in the video section you can search videos or uploads from your device. In the music section you can find different music. For example, new, click to the summer section, and if you want to add a song, just click to the plus icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.